This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 21 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. I say it's Marvel's, it's mine now. Or it will be. But yeah, a war a bit between doubles. Don't know, some sort of cloning going on? Not sure. That's all of that. If you want to pause and read the words, then feel free. I should go back and read them, but I'm not going to today. I might not ever. You never know. We've got the Knuckle Protector Part 2. We did this one last time. We're doing this one this time. It's exactly the same. It's held in place with 3 screws, just like the first one. And then it builds up to be the bit where the fingers are going to attach. Gamora. Yeah, we know about Gamora from the films, because I've seen the films. Might not have read the magazines and the comics, but yeah, I've seen films, so I'm aware of those. I don't know who Don Heck is. Apparently he's a craftsman. Probably an artist by the words of that. Let's clear this out of the way. We'll bring in the gauntlet and get the next part put together. Indeed, today's part is the rest of the Knuckle Protector, which goes onto here, on there, just like the last one did. But flip it over a bit. Again, 3 screws will hold that in place. And we've got a couple of bits that pop over there as well by the look of that. So get that lined up, get them all squared away. Doesn't feel quite right. Don't think it's quite fully down. That side is, that side isn't. It'll be there. Might have had it at a funny angle, or it needs to be at a funny angle. One of those two things is probably true. Right, what I'm going to do is get in a screw where it is, and then I can sort of force and wrangle it a little bit. So let's get a screw out from here. Eventually, there we go. Come on, I know I'm going to need 3 of them at the end, but for now, 1 will be lovely. Let's get that in there, where that screw hole is. Where that screw hole is. That is where that screw hole is. Ah, there we go. That's even slipped back even just by doing that. But I think I'm not in the screw hole. I'm not. Oh, that was the screw hole. Right, that's even further down than I thought it was. Okay. That's probably why it wasn't lining up properly then, because I was only half in. There. That feels like that might be approaching the right place. Let's try that one. That's in there as well. So 1 more screw to go in there. I'll get this tightened up and put the last screw in, and then I'll come back and show you what we've got so far. Right, so far we have not attached the thumb, which is basically completed. We've got the front and back of the hand. The inside is nothing special. It's all right. It does the job. It's got little decorative plates on it, but it's not the most fun of pieces. So I'll move that out of the way. The more fun pieces are obviously these ones. We also have 3 of the Infinity Stones. Good to go. The thumb one, the green time stone, obviously goes over there. They all light up. So that is on there. The big one fits in the middle there. These are all magnetic and have little notches and things, so you can only get them in one way round. And obviously they'll only fit in the correct hole. They're all different shapes. So there we have the fun bit. It's a bit like that. And it's massive. Look at it. It's the size of my arm. and that's just the thumb. So yeah, it's going to be a very, very impressive build, because every time I build a piece of it, I forget the scale. Bearing in mind that, as well as being the glove part, there is the, don't know what, not the bracer, but that sort of thing that goes, halfway up the arm. So basically the same size again underneath it as that. Whereas the fingers, which are on the other side, I'm not going to be able to fit it all here. So there we have it. That will attach on there somewhere like that. I don't know exactly how as yet. It doesn't seem to line up quite right, but I'm probably just not doing it right. So it's basically going to fit like that and is very, very impressive. So stick along with the build. That is the end of this month's delivery. There will be another 5 issues coming very soon. So we'll get on and build whatever comes next. I don't know, a finger maybe starting? Probably. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.